I've been treating patients with sinusitis for over 20 years. We offer complete diagnostic and treatment options for sinus disease, including balloon sinuplasty. So balloon sinuplasty is a way of opening the sinuses non-surgically by inserting a balloon into the openings of the sinuses and gently inflating them. So some of the benefits are decreased inflammation throughout the head and neck, which usually results in a better airway, better breathing, better drainage, and less snoring. Come see us at Texas Sinus and Snoring and break the cycle and breathe again.